Man, we have an angry man coming through. God, my knee. Right, we've arrived. Just for context, I twisted my knee at work. It hurts, so I've had a piggyback ride. Crep check, boom! All black TNs, white little accent on the tick. No messing. This is Healy, Mike Healy. Hello. My bestie. Hello. He's coming to our push review today. So, we are outside Monmouth's in Burton upon Trent. We're gonna be reviewing this today. I used to have takeaway from here all the time, and it was banging. I wanna see if it still holds up to the flavour, heat, taste. The salad was banging. So I'm just hoping it holds up. Way posher establishment. Look at it. It's like the Dial or something. So yeah, let's go in. Excuse the limp. Oh, damn it.
Please use
Love it, man.
Yes, love that.
Stroke the furry wall. Calms you down. Right, so menu, banging. Look how big it is. No, I'm not just saying it's good because it's big, but look. Whoa. Look, pan this up. Look how many, look how many burgers they do. 20? Mad thing. Pizzas, 20. Sides, you ain't getting that in any normal restaurant. No way. Look at that, massive. Massive. Then you got loaded fries, pitta pocket, whatever that means. My mini combo, stir fries. The stir fries on here. Stir fries, mad thing.
Now, I would like to say, ladies and gentlemen, to the flavour chasers out there, one thing you can't detect through the visual representation of this restaurant is the smell. The smell is absolutely divine, isn't it?
It is indeed.
It smells so good. It's not, you know what I mean? It's just
you can tell you're in for a treat.
It's the pre-prandial of things to come.
You can tell you're in for a treat. Pre-prandial.
Pre-prandial.
Nice, nice. So we're gonna go for the mixed grill, which is 3 pieces of lamb chops, chicken tikka, lamb sheesh, 6 chicken wings, and 4 pieces of fish. I don't know what fish it is. I don't know how it's coming. I bet it comes with salad and that, and onions and garnish, gassed. And then we got what? Mixed sizzler, thinly cut strips of beef and chicken, lightly spiced, cooked and griddled with onions. Peppers served with chips, rice or naan. I might ask for all 3. I think they're gonna showcase the thing, man. I'm gassed. I'm hungry now as well, now I'm reading it. And then we're gonna have a pizza. But what pizza are we having, boys? Cameraman's a margarita, man.
Less is more sometimes.
Look at the level of sides, man. Donna meat and chips as a side. The menu, banging selection, next level. Massive menu. Everything on here makes me salivate. Halal, which is always good. So you know you're getting no pork, no random bacon on your stuff. Do you know what I mean? And look at the flavors. Extra hot, medium, mild, mango and lime, lemon and herb, jerk.
Ooh.
They can't do jerk like bad, man. Garlic and honey, classic barbecue. Thought that was ours then, I was so hungry. It is ours. Oh no, it's not, Damn. Big things are going.
Big things are going. Big things are going. Big things are going. And I think the boss man is cooking up a feast. I think he knows that he's here to impress us.
I'd agree.
He seems like a good man. He seems strong, confident, and that will show in his produce.
Gas for these mocktails though.
Oh, is he getting mocktails as well?
Yeah, we're getting a mocktail each.
You look like you drink mocktails in that shirt, if that makes sense.
I look like a mocktail. Very 70s. I got it from charity shop. I'd go again.
A man died in it.
In fact, I've only ever had 50-year-old men compliment this. They go, I have a pair just the same.
Because their dad died in it.
Barry, yeah.
Bit dark. Wow.
Ketchup, please.
Ketchup? You sacrilegious. Oh, he's a nightmare. Ketchup, nah. Have you got any mint yogurt and like anything really hot?
Whoa.
The pizza here. I don't even know what it is. It's like tandoori chicken, mixed veg, sweet corn, peppers. These lamb chops look incredible. Wings look mad. We got rice. This mixed sizzler, I don't even know what it is. It looks like lamb, beef and chicken. Insane. I'm so gassed for this, you know. Oh, I'm going straight for lamb chops, bro. Every time. Even putting my fork in there. Tender AF. Oh, wow. Here we go. Mocktails have arrived. Yes, boss.
Oh, we got
strawberry in it as well. Come on, man. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mocktail City.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, that is good.
Oh, delicious.
Your turn.
It's actually very good.
Oh, it's gorgeous, man.
Yeah, it's not bad, is it?
You know, like a can of pop, it don't hit like that. This is like juicy, sour, sweet, epic,
Refreshing.
epic stuff going on here. Throw that lamb. It's bad, isn't it? It's bad. Bad meaning good. Like, bad lamb. We're eating like kings today. Shout out Mummo's. I ain't even tried nothing else of this. Pizza looks next level as well. Tender. The marinade is so sweet, spicy, peppery, charred. I'm gonna chew the bone.
Cutlery free now.
Liver King.
Are grilled, nice lines, nice marinade by the looks of it. Straight away banging. Straight away. I knew it already.
Oh my gosh.
I knew it straight away.
Oh my, look at that. It flops right off. Right off the bone.
Look at that. Look at that. Come on, man. As a man of my stature, when it comes to chicken, I'm a harsh critic. This, look, pound something. Incredible. He's gone straight back in. Right, next.
Couldn't help myself, mate. Couldn't resist.
I think this is tandoori chicken or tikka. Yeah, it's tikka, bright red. Food colouring, I believe, but it's marinated nicely. Juicy, smoky, sweet, spicy. Can't fault it at all. Can't fault it.
Going in. Yeah, it's very good.
Don't know what this is. I think it's beef. Might be lamb. It's beef. Okay. Not as deeply marinated, but tender.
Just a fine addition to the mix.
Tones it down.
Yeah, it tones it. Yeah. Tones it down a bit, like in a good way. Salad, but it looks fresh AF. Even the salad. Try the salad. Trust me, mad.
Oh,
Fresh. Fresh out the fridge.
it's crunching, mate.
Now the thing I'm intrigued about is this fish here.
Is that the fish?
Juicy. Seems to be battered.
Oh.
That's good. Good, innit?
That's how a fish should be, mate.
I think they've soaked it in something because the actual flesh of the fish
Oh.
is marinated. Cod for days.
Oh. Oh.
Let's go. Chicken, look how juicy that is, bro. Come on, man. Bro, try that. Please try it.
Going in. Yeah. That's it, mate. That's it.
That is indeed it.
They're not winging it.
This is the beef. Want a bit of sizzled onion on there. So well cooked, man. So well cooked. Beautiful. Oh, the rice is a mad thing for me. The amount of times I've been disappointed by rice. As you might know, as a half Jamaican, rice is a big part of my diet. A staple, if you will. Let's see. Fluffy, it's basmati. Bangs. Every grain separate. They know how to cook rice. They know how to cook rice. Rice is nice, baby.
Oh, that's lovely, that. It's so soft.
It's fluffy, like a cloud.
Fluffy.
A rice cloud.
It's a nice dream. What about this?
It bangs. Oh yeah, this thing here. Oh, totally forgot about the pizza.
Have a gander at this.
Come on,
Oh, it
come
smells
on,
great.
rip. Oh, look at that. So we've got, by the looks of it, tikka chicken, peppers, sweet corn, onion.
That is lovely, that.
Bro, this meal's mad.
Crazy.
Mad. I need
Holding
boss
the whole
man to
thing
come.
together.
I need him to come by. I need to shake his hand.
You can have a bit of hot sauce with this pizza. Don't care. So smooth. Like, just so soft.
Big
How is
quick.
everything?
Mate, you need to get in this. I'm
I need to
standing
get
up.
in there.
I'm standing up.
Let me see.
I need to shake your hand, bro.
course.
Your food is banging, brother.
Is it good
Absolutely.
stuff?
Fluffy rice.
Yeah.
That sizzler,
Sizzler.
mad. Wings, flavour to the bone. I used to have Mummo's back when you was back at the old place.
Yeah.
Takeaway and that. You know, you used to do
What
that
you think
half
of the
chicken.
place anyway?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous,
Good
bro.
vibe, yeah.
It's like the dial or something.
Thank you.
Do you know what I mean?
Thank
Like, take a lady here.
you, sir.
I'm married, but you know what I mean? The pizza's mad. The salad's so fresh.
Yeah.
You know, some places you go, the salad's like a bit limp.
Everything's fresh.
It
to me.
tastes like water, man. The lettuce is amazing. The beef Everything's just marinated to perfection, bro.
Thank you so much.
Like genuinely, not just because I'm filming it, bro.
Yeah.
Like I can't stop eating it. Just had a piece of and this.
Yeah.
Oh my days, bro.
Thank you. You make them fresh.
You need to bottle that.
Yeah. Oh.
Brother, bottle that.
Yeah.
Mummo's pop. I don't know what you call it, bro, but it's mad, bro. It's mad. Proper enjoying it.
Enjoy your meal, man.
Yeah,
Thanks for
man.
coming anyway.
Yeah, thank you. I'm so full. It's unreal. I'm so full. I'm satisfied. I've had about 2,000 calories. Look what's left. And we hate waste. So we're gonna take this away. There's 2 more meals here. So this is me and my daughter's lunch tomorrow. I'm gassed. It's easy. I just wish it was Friday the 13th, you know what I mean? Oh. You reckon we're allowed to sleep in this booth?
I'll catch you guys in the morning.
Night, mate. The music's relaxing too. I actually could sleep, you know.
Not too nice.
I actually could sleep. We were full as Elon Musk's bank account 5 times. Bought Boss Man's Forced cheesecake on us. Said it's banging. I don't even know what cheesecake it is. I'm not really a sweet man, but let's go.
Oh, yeah.
It looks banging, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's really, really good.
Oh, bro.
Ferrero Rocher.
Bro.
I challenge anyone to beat that cheesecake. Challenge
Tell him
anyone.
again, boss. Tell him again. Tell him
I'm telling
again.
you, this is the best Ferrero cheesecake you're ever gonna get in the country.
You heard it here first. Heard it here first, ladies and gents.
Dispute that fact.
It's banging. I don't even like pudding. It's my second spoon and I'm full. I'm full, but I'm going in for a third, bro.
No, they're not.
Ferrero Rocher.
Cameraman, have a try of this.
Cameraman, try it. Banging, no?
Choosy.
You can't be lactose intolerant with this bad boy. I can taste the cake. I can't do no more.
We'll take the lot.
Take the lot.
Take the lot.
Chug, 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 chug. Go, 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 go.
Have a round of applause for the whole.
We're out, and I'm telling you, the only thing limp here is my leg. That place was absolutely incredible. Flavour, price, portion size. That cheesecake, I don't even like puddings, but I yammed the whole thing. And Mike did. Mike, come on.
Hey!
Massive menu, sick prices, tasty as hell. I couldn't fault it again. I can't fault it again. Burton's smashing it, man. Burton's smashing it. Everyone,
sure.
head down. I don't even know what street we're on. Mommo's, burger, kebabs, steaks, pizza. 01283 531212 for your deliveries, you mad. Right, what street's this?
I'm from London, love.
That's so Z.
I've only been here 5 weeks.
Oh, you enjoying it?
Fucking Burton's the best.
Hey! Now we're talking. So come down to New Street, Burton-on-Trent, 63 I think, to this wonderful, just wonderful eatery. It's an eatery, restaurant. Now let me limp off. Bye. See you later, Flavour Chasers. Till I see you again.
Fare thee well.
Hold on. Come on, Mike. I'm the one hobbling here.